Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload projects on GitHub. So first thing you have to do is open up a browser and click on search for GitHub. So once you're on GitHub website, you have to log into your account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create a account on GitHub. It's not hard. It's easy to do. So once you're logged in, you click on the profile right here and you're going to have this drop down. So you click on repositories. Once you click on that, you're going to see this. Since you want to upload, you see where it says new. Click on new right there, right? And you're going to get this where it says create a new repository. So what you have to do first is you have to input your repository name. Okay, I'll just use this. Okay, so once you type in that and you see it's actually available, you move on to your description. Also input the description for your repository, so you can just do that just like this. And once you're done with the descriptions, you go down to configuration and click on where it says choose visibility. You can choose to keep it private or public. Afterwards, you have to go to add readme right here and you have to turn that on. And if you have a git null, you can add that, and also a license, you can also add that. Then you click on create. Once you're done with all this, you're filling all the details you need to fill in, click on create repository and you wait for it to load. Once it load, you're going to see this, and next thing you have to do, you have to click on where it says add file. Click on add file and you can either choose to create a new file or just upload. So you click on upload. So right here you can drag a file and add them to your repository, or just choose a file. So I'm just going to choose a file. So I'm just going to choose this. You click on open, and as much as the files you want to add, you can add them all. So I'm just going to add only one, so it's faster when you are about to add one single file. So once you're done with that, you can add changes and add more descriptions. Once you're done, you click on commit changes. You click on that and it's going to process your file and you're good to go. You can also add another description to your readme. So this is virtually how to upload a project on your GitHub. So once you go to your profile like this, you're going to see, click on repository. You can see all the repository you uploaded. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.